Is it possible to configure the upsell block / product discount block so that for every $10 purchase for SKUs ABC, the customer receives one SKU D for free? And if they order $20, two gift with products, and so on. So yes, we're going to go over how to set that up. Basically, we have, let's say, a set of SKUs, a set of products, variants, ABC, and if the customer purchases $10 of that set, then we give them one gift. And if they purchase $20 of that, then we give them two gifts. So the setup is a bit involved. There's a bunch of stuff going on with, there's a bunch of cross sells and display rules. So hopefully we can get that sorted out with this video. So let's go over the products. We're going to have just two products for simplicity. We're going to have the jalapeno lime and truffle hot sauce. That'll be our product A and B. The hot sauce will be $10 and the jalapeno will be also $10. We're going to create a collection, a specific collection for this. We can also do it with it's just easier to do it with the collection. So I'm just going to create a collection, demo collection, and we're going to add some products here. Jalapeno lime and the hot sauce. Save that. And just to make sure we can see that on the storefront. I guess it doesn't really matter because we can always add the products anyway. So, okay, we got the collection, we got the product set, and now let's create some cross sells or upsells. So the first one, we're going to create, basically we're going to create one upsell block for each set. So the first will be for the $10 set, and then for the second will be for the $20 set. And then we'll go from there. So for the $10 set, we're going to go to customizations, create customization, upsell, $10 set. Select the products manually. We're going to offer, we are going to set the product we want to give for free. So let's give a snowboard, a 3P fulfilled snowboard. And then hide product, hide customizations. These are just for like anti-duplication. I have another video about that for preventing duplication of products, but that's in another video, and I'll add that in the description below too. And so, yeah, depending on how you want to set this up, you can actually give the gift automatically added if it is free. We can also make it free with 100% discount, but for simplicity, because I already have the gift product in another video too, but for simplicity, we're just going to add this as a gift add-on. I mean, we'll see where it goes. So just the gift will be a 3-piece snowboard. And then for the display rules, we're going to want to set this to be $10 of the specified thing. So collection, quantity, total value. So cart collections, total value. This basically makes it such that it shows the upsell only if the total value of the items in the selected in the collection is more than a certain amount. So that certain amount is going to be, let's say $10. Let's say $20. Yeah, that should be simpler. No, $10, yeah. Just let's go with the actual scenario. So if it's over $10 for the selection of demo collection, which is the one that we just set up, we offer this product, this gift. Let's just change the thing so we can sort it out. So that's the first one. The second one will be a $20 gift set. I mean, the $20 will be the threshold. We're going to offer another gift. And if they order 2 for free, and if they order 2, offer 2. Okay. Okay, so that adds a bit of an extra, whoops. Yes, okay, so order 2. Because right now we have it set to order, we offer one product. So how do we get that to show only one? I guess we can add another display rule to that too. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so we go back. Before we set up this second one, we gotta make sure the first one is right. So for the first one, we show if the total value of the collection is over $10, which is the first trigger. That's good. But we also want it to trigger only if the customer has not added this gift to the cart yet. Because if, so let's add another rule, an AND rule. And the gift is not in the cart yet, so this would be the 3-piece fulfilled snowboard. Let's see. quantity. If the quantity of variance of this specific variant or product is less than 2. No, is less than 1. Because that's equal to 0. So if they don't have it in the cart, then we can show it. But if they have it in the cart, then it no longer shows. And then, yeah, that works. Okay. Yeah, we're going to, okay, yeah. That's the first one. And I guess before we go to the second one, we can still create the discount too. So for 3P, just to make it a gift, so the gift is free, we're going to make a in-app product discount function. And this will be a 100% discount. GDP 1, $10. GDP 1. That'll be just a message. Combine it with other discounts, apply it to the snowboard, the gift that we just have, and then we're going to apply this only to the checkout components. So it doesn't apply, or else it won't, just check this box only. Or else it'll apply to other scenarios that we don't want either. And we don't have to apply display rules for this one because we already have the display rules set in the upsell. So this one only applies to the gift when applied to the checkout component or the upsell. Okay, so that's our first set. Our second set will be the upsell for the $20. We are going to offer 2 gifts. So let's say liquid and oxygen snowboards, item in cart, and then we can also add it to cart for free too. Yeah, but let's just not for now. And then display rules, again, the collections, collection quantity, total value, yes, total value. If it's over $20 and from the same collection, or a different collection if you make that yourself. Then we're going to add another display rule based on quantity of variance. Because these are the 2 gifts, and then we want to make sure that if it's over $20, they can add 2 gift with products. Gift with purchase. And so those 2 gifts, we want to select those. And make sure that the quantity variance is less than 3. So it's 2 or 1 or 0, it will show. Nope, it should be less than 2. Because if it's 0, we show. If it's 1, show. If it's 2, then they've already reached the limit. And that should be good for this one. And then we're going to add a discount for the second one too, product discount, to make sure that they are free gifts. Set it to 100. Gift with purchase 2. Combine with other discounts and apply to the two snowboards. Apply it only to the checkout components. Okay, and that works. So now the functions, they automatically apply to the to your store, but the blocks, they have to be added to checkout with the checkout editor. And so assuming you have Checkout Plus set up already, because you need Shopify Plus to access the checkout editor, or at least get full access to it. And so we can add the 2 blocks. Let's just add them right into the contact information, because it's just easy to see right there. Check it to include in Shop Pay, and then we're going to set this block to show 2 blocks. I mean, we're going to only show 1 block, but yeah, let's just get these 2 blocks. So 13.4.10 and 13.4.11. So it's set to show both of these blocks, but because we're only using this setting, fixed block ID, it will only show at most 1 block at a time. But because these 2 settings are mutually exclusive, only one can show at a time. So this kind of setting works perfectly. All the other settings we don't have to set, we just have to include it in Shop Pay and set the fixed block ID. So that is good. We save that and let us test that out. So online store, let's remove this from cart. And okay, so we have the jalapeno lime, which is in our demo collection, $10. If it's over $10 but less than 20, then it should add a cart. Oh yeah, we want it to add automatically too. Yeah, let's make it automatically. And the second one automatically also, because they are free, so that can work. Yep, just double checking the settings. Good. If it's over $10 and it's not in cart, then show and add. Okay. Yes, that works. Okay, that should work. All right, so back to the cart. We have $10. It's over $10. Should be over $9.99. There we go. And the second one should be over $19.99. Okay, and then refresh and check out. I should add the thing to cart. Perfect, and it's free. So let's go back and test if that's not the case. Remove the gift and say, let's change the limit. So from $10, let's say it was like, it had to be over $15. And now we check out. So no gift is added because it does not reach the threshold. And so, yeah, let's change the threshold back. $10. And we refresh. It gives the gift again, or else it should. Refresh. Okay, that's odd. Oh, yeah, over $9.99. That's why. Okay, there we go. Okay, so let's check out the second one. So we have that, and then let's say we have purchased over $20 worth of stuff from that collection. Then it adds 2 gifts because it's because that's what the display rules say. So this is set up just that it shows only automatically. I mean, it adds the gift automatically, but we can also set it to show, like manually. So just to show how that works. Say we don't want to add it automatically. Okay. We have over $20. We have $20 or more. Then it shows these 2 gift options. We can also add some text on top, but just for simplicity, we just show these 2 options. So we can add the first one, and the customer has a free gift. Okay, that disappeared because we set the setting because it hides the customization if it's already in cart. We should just hide the product if already in cart. Not okay. Yeah, just like that. All right, check out, refresh. Yeah, it still shows the second one now, and now we can add it, and now it doesn't show anymore. Yeah, this is the first one. Yeah, so definitely recommend testing it just before and after to make sure the settings do exactly as you say, because like even if you're well versed with the app, the settings are like they do as they say. So this setting, it's 3P fulfilled setting. So this is because technically the first one, it is over $10. So it shows this as well in addition to the second set of gift. So for the first one, we're going to add additional rule to make sure that is over $10 but less than $20. If total value of collections is over $10, over $9.99, and it's less than $20. Demo collection. Okay. Now if we refresh, it does not show the additional gift, and it only shows the second upsell we show. It shows this case right here. If they order $20, then 2 gift with products are available. Just to see that again. So if we show 1, it shows the first case, so only the 1 gift with product. We can add it, it disappears, and it's a free gift. So if we add 2, we cross the $20 threshold. Let's say instead of jalapeno lime, we add another item from the collection, the truffles hot sauce. So it's now $20 that hits the threshold. And now we have these 2 gifts that the customer can add. So we add it, we add 1, we add 2, and then it disappears because that's all the customer gets. And we can also do that again and again for like $30 get 3, $40 get 4. We can always set up the conditions like that. And yeah, I think that goes over everything. I mean, there is the case of duplicates. So like if the customer goes back to the cart and they like just want to increase the duplicates of the free gifts, there are ways to around this within the app too. I made another video for that. And for the auto add, if you don't want the customer to just be, manually selecting to add the gift to cart, we can add it automatically as we went over here. And if there's anything else, yeah, I think that covers all the cases. If I miss anything, just let me know in the comments or email me. And yeah, I hope this helps.